Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis last week, and that is where the green and red line notations are coming from. But after today's very nice movement, updates certainly need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closes above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, this area here right at 650 was that level of resistance, but you can see with the nice break above it right there, that really, caused some nice upwards momentum. So point here being now in the very near term, 650 is what I would call the ideal level of support. Ideal just representing the level that if I were asked, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 650, but it's also not a matter of, well, if the price breaks below 650, then now all of a sudden everything's destroyed. I'm not saying that at all. Preferably speaking, yeah, staying above 650 would be great. But it's not like if the price falls below there, then everything is, completely ruined. Looking at all this from the bigger picture, though, that is where the purple line continues to come into play. The 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall move. This right here is how I'm defining, quote-unquote, the overall move. Just watch a purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. If you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 650 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter. What do I mean? Well, what matters most is what the price has been doing and continues to do, and that is just build those higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then everything else, given enough time, will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and building those higher bases and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.